If you're a busy professional using Practice Better, you probably want to know how to track client appointments more effectively, right? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to track appointments, keep things organized, and save time using this tool. Stick around because I'll also mention a few powerful alternatives at the end that could actually do this even better. First off, let's get started with adding a client appointment in Practice Better. To do this, simply log into your dashboard and click on the Appointments tab. From there, you can select the Add Appointment button, which takes you to a simple form where you'll input the details like date, time, and type of appointment. You can even select a package if the client is using a prepaid option, which is great for keeping everything streamlined. It's a fairly straightforward process, but I'll be honest, it could be a little smoother. If you're dealing with lots of clients and frequent changes, you might find it a bit clunky. Next thing, let's talk about managing those appointments on the calendar. Once you've created an appointment, it will show up on the calendar view where you can get a quick glance at your schedule. But here's the catch: if you have multiple appointments with the same client or need to make edits, it's not as easy as just dragging and dropping. You'll need to click into the specific appointment to make changes, which, again, can feel a little tedious when you've got a packed calendar. The third thing I want to point out is the reminders and notifications. Practice Better sends automatic reminders to clients, which is helpful to prevent no-shows. However, there's no option for much customization. You can't control the reminder frequency or how they're sent unless you're using integrations with other tools, and even then, it's not as flexible as I'd like. Moving on, let's look at the integration options. Practice Better connects with tools like Zoom and Google Calendar, which is great for syncing appointments. But if you're looking for more extensive integrations with CRM or billing systems, the options are a bit limited. So while it covers the basics, it might not meet your needs if you're running a more complex practice. Now, here's the thing: I know some of you might already be thinking about alternatives. And while Practice Better works for many, I want to introduce you to some options that might actually serve you better for tracking appointments. For example, some competitors offer features like more robust client communication, advanced scheduling capabilities, and integrations that extend far beyond what Practice Better offers. These tools can give you more control over your scheduling system while helping you manage appointments with ease. Before I wrap this up, here's some good news for you. If you're still sticking around, I've got a special treat. If you sign up for Practice Better using our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, and I've also included links to some other software alternatives that come with free trials as well. These alternatives can do a lot of what Practice Better does, and more, when it comes to managing client appointments. You'll get the best free trial and benefits exclusive to our viewers. Thanks for watching. Check the description for those free trials and more details.